In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who accepted your meeting invites in Outlook. If you've ever sent a meeting invite and wondered who's actually coming, Outlook makes it easy to check. We'll walk through where to look and what each response means, so you can quickly confirm attendance and follow up if needed. Start by opening Outlook and switching to the calendar view. You can do this by clicking the calendar icon on the left side of the app. This takes you out of your inbox and into your schedule, where all of your appointments and meetings are listed. If you manage multiple calendars, make sure the correct one is selected so you're looking at the meeting you organized. Next, find the meeting you want to check. It will appear as a calendar item with a people icon, indicating it's a meeting rather than a personal appointment. Double-click the meeting to open its details window. This is important, the tracking information only appears if you're the organizer of that meeting. If the meeting was created by someone else or it's just an appointment with no invitees, you won't see tracking. With the meeting window open, look toward the top ribbon. You'll see a set of tabs and buttons related to the meeting. Find the option labeled Tracking. Depending on your Outlook version, it may appear as a button on the Meeting tab or as a dedicated Tracking tab. If your window is narrow, you may need to expand it or look for a drop-down that reveals additional options. Click Tracking to view responses. Outlook will display a list of everyone invited along with their current status, accepted, declined, tentative, or no response. This gives you an at-a-glance snapshot of attendance. Accepted means they plan to attend, declined means they won't, tentative indicates they're unsure, and no response means they haven't replied yet. If you have a large attendee list, scroll to see everyone, and remember that responses can update as people change their decision. For a deeper look, choose View Tracking Status. This opens a more detailed view that can include the date and time each person responded and any comments they added with their reply. Those comments are helpful for context, like noting a late arrival or a conflict. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.